When I bought this, I thought this had like actual suspension. That doesn't do anything. The back kind of does, but it's stiff. But it's a cool truck. From New Bright, some fat tires, spikes. Upgraded to 12 volts, and the motor's going out, but thought I'd make a quick little video on it. Drilled though. I was gonna put some lights in it, but yeah.
This would be a good picture. There you go.
There we go. The rim came, the tire came off. These wheels don't come with glue. They're like a safety thing, but I put a rubber tire on here, and there's like little bits, so it doesn't fit properly, so it slid off. Yeah. So this is basically the RX-7 chassis. It's got the arc from the Jada drift cars for 40 bucks. It's got the RX-7 wheels. I just put this body over it. It's New Bright body. Took off the headlights and like took off whatever paper it had and put them back on. Super glued them back on. This was broken. I drilled the back of those. I super glued them, put some lights, and for the front, they had like stickers, so I literally got hot glue and I made a square with hot glue and hot glued them back on, and then that's what the light stinks are. 12 volt battery in the back. Drilled the holes. Got the drift wheels on here. You know, I don't have them on there good because I had rubber on there, so I had these on, but I put rubber on them so they don't fit exactly anymore. But if I didn't put a rubber, they'd be good. But yeah, this is the Jada chassis. So yeah, and it does drift, which is cool because I had to do some modifications to it and stuff to make it run 12 volts. But it's good. So turning the truck on, which will turn on the lights. lights. Got a light in the back. Let's go these. Let's go this. I know it's hard to see, but yeah.